welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on aeroplane mode in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to on your aeroplane mode in your Redmi phone, so then how can you on today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on aeroplane mode. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on guys aeroplane mode. After on phone setting, I scroll it. As you can see this type of settings. So how can we turn on aeroplane mode guys? As you can see guys, your connection and sharing option guys, tap here. As you can see your aeroplane mode setting. So once you want to on guys your aeroplane mode, so you can on from here. After on guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data and call setting guys. So like that guys, you can on your aeroplane mode in your Redmi phone if you want to on. So you can on from your phone settings. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.